All right, the moment of truth. Today is the day we do the first start. Well, not the first start, but the first movement.
Yes, the first time the car moves under its own power with the beams in it.
Yeah, we just kind of shimmied it around so we could get out of the shop. I got the fire extinguisher in here in case something goes wrong. I'm getting very heavy first start, first drive in the JZ car vibes right now. Yeah, we should. I guess we just do it.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna go up there to get ahead of you, so I don't have to like run with the camera, and then just film you driving out. But
I'm gonna cycle the fuel a couple times, just make sure we don't have any leaks.
Yeah. Nothing. Not even wet.
All right.
Yeah, no.
Here we go.
Let me get up there first, I guess. Oh yeah, we're gonna try to do like very short drive.
Yeah, we're not going very far.
Yeah.
We don't have the fans wired up, and there's some coolant hoses that are just like capped off with screws that'll probably spurt everywhere if we run it up to temp. But
it's also incredibly loud, and we don't want to like piss off too many people.
Yeah,
It's probably
that's
gonna
kind of the
wake up the neighborhood.
The main thing is how loud it is right now. We might even just drive it for a second up there, kill it, and push it.
Yeah, depending on how bad it is. All right, I'm gonna get up there and I'll film ya. Oh my god. It moves! It sucks! It's moving! It's moving, man! What's all this smoke? Oh, that's just oil off the headers. She's good.
Yeah, I kind of figured it was just old shit burning off.
Yeah, it's just the headers heating up.
Sweet, dude, it fucking works.
Holy shit, dude, it moved. And it's like, it's really loud back there, but like, as soon as we got out here, it kind of was like, just sounds like a car with no exhaust, so it's loud, but.
Yo.
Holy shit, dude. See, I don't see any leaks except all that water. Oh my god, dude.
We swapped the motor.
We done it. We pretty much did this with no help, really.
Yeah.
I think we had some homies help out like 1 or 2 days of the swap. But...
We had some remote help, like.
Oh yeah, of course, so like advice and
Yeah.
stuff with the ECU and stuff. But
Yo, we fucking done did it.
this is, yeah, dude, that's insane. Dude.
Look how dope it is, too.
That just goes to show you how good the parts are that we use. That
Yeah.
idiots like us
They're
could do this.
foolproof, dude. Anyone can do it.
Damn, it looks so good out on the street. Just wait till it's got the full body on it and shit. Oh my god. Hell yeah.
Damn, dude, what do you think, Josh?
Yeah.
I thought this shit was good. Shit go bang.
Damn. Oh my god. Hell yeah, dude.
That's sick, man.
Fucking.
I'm loading it up tomorrow onto the trailer. Well, I'm picking up the trailer from my house tomorrow, my old house, bringing it up here, and then loading the car up. And me and DJ and Maurice and Caleb are all going to Idaho to get the header built for this and an exhaust. Another thing we're doing is bringing the Skyline down to Charles.
Hell yeah.
Shout out to Caleb. He's gonna drive down his truck as I drive down my truck with this. And then we're gonna be able to start working on the Skyline. So big things are happening.
That is also big.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. It moved. Now you gotta do a burnout. We're just standing around looking at it.
It's always
It's been 6 hours since you last shut off.
Yeah, yeah.
whenever you look at a car like that you've been working on for so long, like whether it be in your driveway or your garage or whatever, like once you finally get it out of the garage or your driveway and look at it, it's like a whole new car.
Yeah, because like you just have to imagine what it looks like driving down the road, but now we can just like see it.
Yeah.
What it looks like sitting on the fucking street. Oh my god.
Also, keep in mind this thing's dusty as fuck.
Yeah.
So the color.
And it's never, it has, yeah, it's covered in dust. And it doesn't have a wet sand or anything.
Yeah.
Like just painted and then put in the garage.
I want to go on Friday.
Damn. Dude, it drove up here.
I know.
Man.
Sorry, neighbors.
So loud.
it's got like half a header on it. Well, I guess we should talk about what you've been doing off camera and mark some things off the list.
Show.
That's fucking exciting.
Yeah, that was crazy. Thank you to everyone who made this possible. Yeah, huge shout out to like Mark and Fine Line Tuning, Mark Panic, Fine Line Tuning, Battle Garage, Annex Suspension, all the people that like helped build this car. Yeah, just fucking dope. I'm so excited to get headers on it and exhaust and put the hood on and drive it.
Just go break this thing.
Yeah. We did a lot of stuff recently that I've just been like going to town on while everyone else has been doing other shit. Like I'll DJ and cat film a video. I just work on the car a little bit. So I guess I'll just take you around the car first.
Yeah, a lot of this stuff is like, it wouldn't really warrant being in a video because it's so tinkery and boring, and the end result is like only exciting to us. So
and like the entire culmination of the car.
Exactly.
So yeah, I guess I painted this. That's obvious at this point. I started painting these silver, but I just used like a Sharpie and it stopped working, so I gotta figure something else for that. I painted the top of this, put a link sticker on it. I think that looks pretty dope.
Yeah, it was really crusty. It had that, I don't know where the sticker went, but it had like the old rotted out sticker on it.
Yeah, it had like the map of all the...
Yeah, a very useful diagram.
Well, I can look it up.
Yeah, yeah.
I just finished today painting and mounting these headlight surrounds. I had to fix this one because it was broken right there, but I just super glued it yesterday. Nice and dry today.
Painted the windshield cowl right here. I think we showed that off.
Yeah,
and
we showed you guys.
painted these.
I just finished painting the mirrors yesterday with the black trim paint. Those came out really nice.
Yeah, basically a lot of stuff we knew after the paint job was just going to look like shit because the whole car was kind of rotten, not just the paint. And so Quentin's been going around and just basically picking and choosing anything that would kind of take away from the aesthetic of the car once it was fully complete and just making it good. So that includes like the mirrors and the cowls and things like that, and lots of little things. Door handles are in. I think that's in a video.
All the interior panels are in. I put a seat in, obviously. I was just sitting in it. I'm still waiting on my seat that I ordered. It's gonna be dope. Can't wait to show everyone.
Well, what else? I'm sure the list will let us know what we forgot.
Okay, so I took out the sway bar. I think we might have talked about that. Just not gonna run one for the moment. We haven't wired the fans yet. That's why we kind of just took a small rip today. Not even a rip to drive.
Small idle.
Yeah. I've got like a harness coming for that from Mark, so I'm just waiting on that. Going to do headers this weekend. We still have to mount the hood, and I think we're gonna have to do quite a bit of cutting on the underside of the hood. Still gotta make a seat bracket for the new seat, waiting for the new seat.
But we did sort the fuel system.
Fuel system sorted, yep. No leaks, nothing, no fires, which is good. Didn't have to utilize that fire extinguisher. But let's get rid of it. We got the trunk done.
Sort out fuel system.
Fuck that. Vacuum to ECU, we did that off camera.
Oh, throttle cable.
Oh yeah, throttle cable's done.
Very bottom.
I did kind of a hack job on that, but it works. Yeah, that's about it, I think. Just been doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of shaping up. We're gonna go do some real work this weekend with Charles, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you again for everyone who's helped and helped me out with the swap and kind of guided me, and everyone who's actually come up and helped us out, and all the companies and sponsors that we have. Yeah,
it's a beautiful thing to see this thing finally roll. It's really crazy if you think back to years ago when you were like, I'm gonna buy this. I was like, you're a fucking idiot if you buy this car. That's the worst decision you can make. And then boom.
Yeah, now it's so fucking sick.
It's like so sick.
Looking at it up there, I was like, it's just like a car that I would look at and see and be like, damn, that's so sick, but I don't think I'll ever own something like that. But
yeah,
you gotta do it. Dude.
Yeah, he kept saying things like that like throughout this process, that like, you know, you can kind of look at the car and see like the finalized vision in your head. And we've had all the body panels and everything together and stuff, But like he keeps saying like, man, I never thought like I would own a car like this. I'm like, what do you mean? And he just kind of like is explaining like you see cars like this at car shows or like drift events or like even like museums or whatever, and just like, man, that's crazy that somebody went through the time and effort to build that.
Yeah.
Like I'm not gonna do that, but that's pretty sick. And then boom, like when this is fully buttoned up in like a week or two, it'll be one of those fucking things that you see at a car show and you're just like, holy shit, like that's fucking nuts.
Yeah, and I'm so hyped. Like I'm more hyped on this than I was on the 240, which is really saying something, because with the 240 I was like over the moon hyped, but this is just like,
this is a whole different type of build.
It is. Yeah, I was talking to someone yesterday. They were asking me if I was going to drift this car, and I was like, yeah, definitely going to drift it, but I'm not going to drift it like I drifted my 240, because I built the 240 to drift it, and I knew I was going to crash it, and like every time I crashed it, I was like, hell yeah, that was fun, blah, blah, blah. Like if I crash this, like I did that car many times, then I will not be a happy kid. Yeah, super hyped.
Yeah, I mean, we're going on about it like this is the car's finally done. It's not. We still have many videos to do about this car before it's like complete.
And then we'll be able to drive it and make more videos.
Yeah, so hyped. All right, let's get one last look at this thing before the video ends. Beautiful, beautiful red top SR20.
Really growing on me.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it pops out.
It does
really nicely.
Yeah, if you just thought about it, like it wouldn't make sense with the rest of the colors in this car, but
somehow
it just looks good. I don't think it has to make sense.
All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys again. Next video is probably gonna be coming out of Idaho when we're with Charles working on building the exhaust. So stay tuned for that.
Can't wait to hear this thing.
Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
It's easy, moving freely. One step falls another, let the breeze take me.